Welcome to Like Health. Are you struggling with fatty liver disease and tired of relying on medication? Discover the one natural diet that melts liver fat and restores your health. This isn't just a fad, it's a proven liver detox plan backed by science. We'll reveal 5 powerful recipes that clean your liver, reduce inflammation, and boost digestion. Perfect for reversing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, without pills or side effects. Watch until the end to transform your liver health through real food and natural healing. Recipe 1. Lemon and Olive Oil Morning Detox Drink. Start your day with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil mixed with fresh lemon juice, a classic liver cleansing combo. Studies show that lemon polyphenol reduce liver fat and boost enzyme function. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that support liver repair and reduce inflammation. It's simple, refreshing, and works like a gentle detox to flush out toxins. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Your liver will thank you. Recipe 2. Avocado and Turmeric Smoothie. Blend half an avocado, a cup of almond milk, half a banana, and a pinch of turmeric for a creamy liver-loving smoothie. Avocados are loaded with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been scientifically shown to reduce liver enzyme levels and fight inflammation. It tastes amazing and feels like a treat, not a treatment. Sip it cold and enjoy a delicious way to heal your liver naturally. Recipe 3. Garlic and Spinach Stir-Fry. Sauté fresh spinach with a clove of crushed garlic in a teaspoon of olive oil for a quick, liver-friendly dish. Garlic activates liver detox enzymes and contains allicin and selenium, both proven to support liver function. Spinach is rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins and reduce liver fat buildup. It's light, savory, and packed with nutrients your liver craves. Eat this for dinner and feel like you're giving your liver a warm hug. Recipe 4. Beetroot and Carrot Liver Cleanse Juice. Juice together 1 beetroot, 2 carrots, and half an apple for a vibrant, detoxifying drink. Beets are packed with betalains, which support liver detox pathways and reduce oxidative stress. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, aiding in fat metabolism and liver regeneration. It's like giving your liver a refreshing spa day in a glass, colorful, tasty, and healing. Drink it chilled and let your liver flush out fat the delicious way. Recipe 5. Warm oats with cinnamon and chia seeds. Cook a bowl of whole oats, sprinkle with cinnamon, and top with a spoonful of chia seeds for a fiber-packed breakfast. Oats are high in beta-glucan, which helps reduce liver fat and improve cholesterol levels. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory compounds that support liver enzyme balance and insulin sensitivity. Chia seeds provide omega-3s and antioxidants, tiny powerhouses your liver will love. It's warm, comforting, and feels like dessert, but it's actually liver therapy in a bowl. Fatty liver disease is often attributed to overeating, but what does that really mean? In reality, it's not just the quantity of food consumed that leads to fatty liver, but specifically the excessive intake of sugar, refined carbohydrates, and seed oils. Artificial sugars, such as high-fructose corn syrup, pose a particular threat to liver health. Common symptoms of fatty liver include chronic fatigue, pain or discomfort in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen, cognitive difficulties, yellowing of the skin, a burning or itchy sensation in the feet, and increased fat accumulation around the abdomen. The medical field has relied on observational studies to suggest that red meat, organ meats, liver, and eggs may contribute to fatty liver disease. However, it's important to note that observational studies cannot establish a direct cause and effect relationship. Research has shown that following a low-carbohydrate, ketogenic-friendly diet can reduce liver fat by up to 50% within just a few weeks. To further improve liver health and naturally eliminate excess fat, you can incorporate the following liver detoxifying foods into your diet. 1. Grass-fed organic red meat provides high-quality protein along with essential nutrients such as zinc, copper, and CoQ10. It also supports healthy blood sugar levels. 2. Eggs are carbohydrate-free and an excellent source of choline, a key nutrient that helps protect against fatty liver disease. 3. Cruciferous vegetables, especially in fermented form, support liver detoxification and help in reducing liver fat. 4. Wild-caught salmon and other fatty fish are highly nutritious sources of protein, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce liver inflammation. 5. Cruciferous vegetables also contain sulforaphane, a powerful compound supports liver detox and helps lower HbA1c levels for better blood sugar stability. 6. Grass-fed beef liver is considered a superfood for liver health. Low in carbs and rich in choline, this nutrient-dense organ meat is packed with minerals essential for reducing liver fat and inflammation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new